Hi, I'm Becky, RV Resort Manager here at Sun Outdoors Islamorada. Thank you for booking your stay with us. I want to show you around, so let's go. We have 82 RV sites with full hookups to meet everyone's needs. From our pull-through sites to our standard sites to our Deluxe Plus sites, which have a grill and a refrigerator, or our most popular water view sites that overlook the Atlantic Ocean. Other ways to stay are our vacation homes. With a minimum stay of 28 days, contact us today so we can help you enjoy your Isla life. One of the many options in our Welcome Center is our Ocean View Lounge. You'll have the choices of playing pool while using our kitchen and cooking your dinner, or just using our fitness center to get in shape for the day. You also have the options of sitting outside enjoying the most gorgeous Atlantic views while sitting in our bar area and enjoying your favorite cocktail. One of our favorite amenities is our pool. You can have a rental of our cabanas. We have a cheeky hut that we play music under every week, as well as our upland beach area, kayak and paddle boards, and a game lawn where you can play cornhole or life-size Jenga. Some local attractions that we have here in Islamorada is Theater of the Sea. You can go feed the tarpons at Robbie's, or if you just need to sit back and enjoy a nice beverage, you can go to Islamorada Brewery and Distillery. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, like our Assistant RV Resort Manager, Gabrielle.
If there's anything that I can do to make your stay even better, please come and find me in the Welcome Center.
Download our Sun Outdoors mobile app where you can book your next stay and plan your upcoming adventure. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Islamorada, where you can explore your sunnier side. See you soon.